Hi, and welcome to our lawn renovation service. Is your lawn looking damaged, patchy, or just not what it used to be? Bare spots, thinning grass, and stubborn moss can make your garden feel neglected. It's especially frustrating when you want a space to relax and enjoy the summer, but your lawn spoils the view. That's where Greensleeves Lawn Renovation comes in. Our all-in-one 5-step renovation process is designed to completely transform your lawn. We tackle moss and thatch, aerate the soil, reseed bare areas, and finish with a nourishing top dressing, giving your grass everything it needs to grow back greener, thicker, and healthier than ever. The result? A beautiful lawn that you can enjoy without the stress, hassle, or cost of returfing. At Greensleeves, we've been restoring and transforming lawns across the UK for over 25 years. We know every lawn is different. That's why our local experts create a tailored renovation plan for your garden and keep it looking its best with ongoing care packages. Affordable, reliable, and trusted nationwide, Greensleeves makes it easy to achieve the lawn you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to revive your lawn and enjoy your outside space again, get in touch with your local Greensleeves team today. Together, we'll bring your lawn back to life and keep it looking its best.